Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an awesome seated cardio workout that's also going to help work your stomach and abs. All right, so let's get right into it. Starting with a nice little warm up first. We're going to do 5 big breaths. You can lift your arms as you inhale. And then exhale. Very good. Taking your time, filling your lungs. Three. 4. Last one, make it good. 5. And exhale, very good. Next, we have a nice torso twist, so twisting only your upper body side to side, all right? If following your torso with your head, makes you a little dizzy, go ahead and look forward, all right? Very good, and just really exaggerate that movement. It's gonna help warm up your back and your stomach. Very good, and 3, 2, 1, and straight into high knees, all right? Nice flex foot, very good. Nice straight back as well. If you're slouching down like this, then maybe don't bring your leg up so high, all right? Quality over quantity, so making sure you're in proper form. Very good, using your core muscles to bring your knee up to you, not you down to your knee. All right, so coming back to that straight back, very good. Big breath, chin up, and 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good. Alrighty, first up, we have a reach and tap. So make sure you are at the edge of your seat. All right, starting the time, we're gonna reach over, same leg sticks out. Very good. Reach and tap. Make sure you have a nice strong core, and the arm that comes up, make sure you're not scrunching here. Push that shoulder down. All right, very good. Nice straight spine. You're not leaning back. You're not hunched forward. All right, nice and straight. Very good. If you need to slow it down to get your form down first and then speed it up once you're more comfortable, that's okay too. This is only set 1. And 3, 2, 1, and together. Very good. Moving on to cross crunch, hands behind your head, elbow goes to opposite knee. All right, now we are doing a little crunch here, but I'm not just slouching back. All right, nice strong crunch, using your core muscle, bringing your knee up to you. Very good. Breathing, coming back up to a straight spine before you crunch again. Up, crunch, up, crunch. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, center. Very good. Coming down. All right, this one's fun. We're doing jumping jacks. All right, feet are together, hands down here, and they both open up at the same time. All right, very good. Make sure you're at the edge of your seat to help you move around easier with this. And also leaning back a little bit helps you as well. It's a little bit harder, but it also may help you balance with this move. Just make sure you have a nice straight spine. All right, we're not, again, up. Very good. If you need to break it up and just do one side at a time, that's an option too, or you could just do arms first, then legs. All right, break it up if you need to. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, together. Awesome job. Next, we have a kick crunch. So like the cross crunch, except with a straight arm and straight legs. So out to the side, boom, boom. Remember, coming back up and then crunch. All right, and it's okay if your leg only goes down here. All right, flexibility looks different on everyone. If you can't reach your foot, go ahead and go for that shin. Go for your knee. All right, very good. Over time, you'll get more flexible and stronger. Breathing, check that posture, up, and 3, 2, 1, and come together. Very good. Last but not least, we have some toe taps or fast feet, right? So you can hold onto your chair, you can hold onto yourself, you can put your arms up here, whatever. And we're gonna do fast feet. Tap, 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 tap. Boom, 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 boom. You're using your core to move your legs, to balance, to keep a nice straight spine. All right, 30 seconds of giving it your all. Awesome job. Go, 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 go. And 3, 2, 1. Together. Awesome job. That was set 1. We're not done yet. Big breath. And going right to set 2. Reach and tap. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together. Very good. Cross crunch. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Center, release. Very good. Jumping jacks. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wiggle it out. Kick, crunch. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Center, very good. Roll your shoulders a little bit, release tension, and tap, toe taps, fast feet. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together. Awesome job. 2 sets done and dusted. Big breath. Starting set number 3. And 3, 2, 1. together, very good. Cross crunch, let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good. Jumping jacks, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Wiggle it out, kick, crunch, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, very good. Roll your shoulders a little bit, release tension, and tap, toe, tap, fast speed, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, 3 sets done and dusted. Now for our cool down, 5 big breaths. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold it, hold, and exhale. Great job. Figure 4 stretch, grab your ankle, put it above the other knee. That's where the figure 4 comes in. All right, we're gonna stay here for 30 seconds. It should feel great on your hips. If you wanna go a little bit deeper, all right, you're gonna push down your knee. If you wanna go even deeper, go ahead and come forward with a nice flat back, all right? If not, just stay here and enjoy it. And 3, 2, 1, coming up, releasing, very good, and other side. Begin. Push your shoulders away from your ears, making sure you're not scrunching. Very good. Breathing. And 3, 2, 1, coming up. Very good. Foot down. Open those legs. Open those feet. Wide stance. All right, we're going to do a straddle stretch. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. You're going to reach down towards the floor. All right, if you want to stay here, that's fine. Hang your head, so tucking in your chin, allowing your entire head and body to relax down. If you want to take it further, go ahead and grab your ankles and use your elbows to open up your legs even further, so pushing them against the inside of your knees. All right, in just a few seconds, we're gonna roll up, all right, one vertebrae at a time in 3, 2, 1, slowly up, one vertebrae at a time. Your shoulders roll back and chin is up last. And there we have it, our full fun seated cardio with some focused abs. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, which move was your favorite, what you would like to see more of. If you have a favorite workout of ours here on our channel, go ahead and put the link in a comment below so someone else can try it, all right? And I hope to see you on the next one. Mwah. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.